road. We go to the Supreme Court. Di pag hindi, ako,
Go to the Supreme.
dumaan ako sa rat, okay na sa akin. Well, nothing to lose na ako. Nothing to lose, absolutely nothing. Hindi ba rin ako sabihin mo kulong ng habang buhay? Wala ako. Inciting to sedition.
Hindi inciting to sedition. Inciting to sedition. Kaya
Against
mag-insiman.
the ICC.
Kalimutan niya ulit. Sa Hague.
We are not signatory sa sedition.
That's what they're doing now.
Hindi ako. Yan ako hindi papayag. I am a Filipino. You are all Filipino citizens. Ako, pag nagkasala, you prosecute me in Philippine courts with the Filipino judge, the Filipino prosecutor, and magpakulong ako dito sa bayan ko. Kung sakali.
They're preparing you to bring you to the Hague.
I am sure. I am very sure. I'm a lawyer. Abogado ka man. I am sure the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Maski na hindi tayo maghingi na, the Supreme Court will rebuke them. Tignan mo. Hindi pa bayad ang Supreme Court. Wala tayo extradition treaty. At saka nag-withdraw na tayo. Bakit mo ako dadalhin doon sa international body na hindi na tayo withdraw? That's a big question. Kaya nga, ito sila sa Supreme Court, tignan mo. Whether rightly or wrongly ang decision na mag-withdraw tayo sa ICC, the fact that we are already not a member. So, dapat intindihin ng mga abogado yan, pati sila,